he does it in pretty fancy style, and dramatic style. The very aggressive Red Bull pilot, Mr. Kevin Coleman. Flipping that airplane hand over hand, and he's just getting started. From Louisiana, graduate of Louisiana Tech University.
Get my camera.
Defying gravity, staying up there as long as he can do it, slowing back without getting in front of gravity, and making the airplane perform at rocket style. Big time. Builds up the energy, back into in industry and in discipline, where you actually work your way down in the world. The better you get at it, the more you do it, the lower to the ground they let you fly.
You're right, it's much better.
To the surface. Beyond the fact that the airplane is actually jumping in orbit, is the most and stops flying like it does right now. So now our pilots have trained and learned how to reconnect again, and in such a fashion that he can fly orbit inverted and at a 45-degree angle. And that is left to right, top to bottom. Pushing negative G's now. Those are the bad ones, the ones you don't hear so much about. The ones that send all the fluids in your body up into your head and your eyeballs. You start seeing pink, you get some white clouds, you get to visit breakfast and lunch all over again. G-times when you take your fitness as seriously as calories. Dealing with the discipline, of course, of what he's doing when it comes to aerobatics and staying focused and ahead of the routines. And also correcting for the winds, the very gusty winds we have today. So as he gets ready for part 2 of his act, you see Bill Stein taxiing out, and he does things a little bit differently with his aerobatics. Very creative man as well. And an airplane that, as you just saw, kind of changes color. It's like a flying moon ring. Incredible paint job we'll tell you more about later. So at times it looks purple, at times it looks green, and a lot of the time it looks gold. And we'll tell you all about Bill Stein a little bit later. But right now, Kevin's getting ready for round 2, and he's going to dial it up just a little bit now that he's cooled the engine, and he's tightened the belt, giving the smoke signal to us here on the ground that he is ready now to deal with the wind, to deal with the safety lines, put together these aggressive aerobatic maneuvers in some very cool choreographed maneuvers here. And as you see with the steady stream of smoke, once that's on, that's the signal to us on the ground that he's ready, and he's going to tuck in now and build that energy up. 200 miles, 210, 250 miles an hour, and he's going to start adding the aerobatics. Here he comes, Kevin Coleman from Louisiana. Eventually, he's got to come down. So, look at that. Round and round he goes. Makes the motor really pilot's license on his 17th birthday and his commercial license on his 18th birthday. He started flying competitions in aerobatics at the age of 16. Representing this nation well in the Red Bull Air races too. The youngest pilot to do so in the series. Given Walter extra design built extra. Purpose for aerobatic airplane, spinning around in the wind and having a great time. Through social media as he goes back to those negative G's for just a moment. He'll push, he'll fall, drops down now to get as much energy as he can before he soars back up into the sky and converts this altitude down into energy for more. You follow him on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, at the Kevin Coleman. Kevin Coleman, one of the youngest pilots in the airshow circuit, and he takes you on board. He's just at the airplane covered with GoPro cameras and stuff, and 360 cameras, so you can see what it's like. Starts to fly. Ladies and gentlemen, Kevin Coleman. High G. Just like he do Red Bull Air races. And he's so happy he's got that. Now look at that. Look at him just burn off all that energy to get ready to come back and land the hardest job in these windy conditions. Get this aerobatic airplane to stop flying, and the hardest job for our air bosses, Dave White and Todd Cameron, to do today is convince him to land, because he just loves to fly. I hope we get a chance to meet Kevin. They're all going to be meeting at Rob Holland's tent after they fly, so they can talk to you about what they do. I'm sure you'll have a Red Bull. He's going to hydrate first, get a Red Bull, and then he's going to join you. And where you'll find the tent is off to our left near the center. Rob Holland, Fly Good merch tent is where it is. The A10 team are over there with theirs as well. They're all over there to talk to you about flying. Coming in from the right, he's going to recover. Bill Stein's going to get up into the air, and then David Martin's going to take the stage as we welcome you and remind you that after the fireworks tonight, it's going to be dark. We're going to turn all the lights off for this dazzling display we have set up for the finale. You're not going to believe this if you weren't here last night. It is awesome. But it's going to be dark, maybe. We're going to turn the lights back on again, but it's still nighttime when you're leaving. So we ask that you save a little juice in the phone, a flashlight perhaps, and that you